Welcome to Local Traders. Today, we're here to walk you through how to transfer cryptocurrency to other users on our platform, quickly, easily, and with zero fees. To get started, first log in to your Local Traders account. Once you're logged in, head to the top navigation bar, select Wallet, and click on Send Crypto. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to send. Next, select the Local Traders Users option, which allows you to transfer funds directly to other users on our platform. You have 3 ways to send crypto within Local Traders: email, phone, UID. Simply choose the method that works best for you and enter the recipient's details. If you choose email, input the email address connected to their account. For phone, enter the phone number linked to their account. And if you select UID, type in their unique user identification number. Once you've selected your preferred transfer method, enter the recipient's information and the amount you'd like to send. Double-check everything, especially the amount and the recipient's nickname, to make sure it's correct. When you're ready, click Continue. You may be asked to complete OTP verification or TOTP2FA to ensure security. After verifying, just hit Confirm to complete your transfer. Your transaction should process instantly, and you'll see a confirmation pop up once it's done. To keep track of your transfers, go to Transaction History where you'll see a detailed breakdown of all transactions. Now, a few security tips. Watch out for phishing attempts. Local traders will never ask for sensitive information via email. Remember, transfers between users are non-refundable, so always double-check before you confirm. To keep your account safe, enable 2-factor authentication and follow best practices to protect your account details. Have questions? Our customer support team is available 24/7 and ready to help. And that's it. You're all set to make secure, fee-free crypto transfers to other Local Traders users. Sign up today. Happy trading!